CCSDS, Consultative Committee for Space Data Systems. CCSDS is a term under systems engineering. Tonex Training offers 2 days technical course on space data systems, course number 908. This course covers CCSDS's goals and benefits, end-to-end data systems, space data system physical interfaces, space data system functional model and recommendations. What is CCSDS? The Consultative Committee for Space Data Systems, CCSDS, was founded in 1982 allied the major space agencies of the world. The goal was to provide a forum for discussion of common problems in the development and operation of space data systems. Course designed for. This CCSDS course is best fit for network managers, applications developers, product managers, sales and marketing professionals involved in managing, marketing, selling, or developing CCSDS applications and systems. CCSDS Learning Opportunity. Intro to CCSDS. Summary of the problem to solve. Overview of CCSDS's data and information system recommendations, Blue Books. Introduction to Space Protocol Stack. Overview of CCSDS end-to-end data system. Introduction to Space Data System Physical Interface and Space Data System Physical Interface Functional Model. Course outline. CCSDS got these topics to be covered and can be tailored to the client's custom need. Introduction to CCSDS. CCSDS services. Space Data System Physical Interfaces. Current Space Protocol Stack. CCSDS Recommendations Overview. Want to learn more? Visit tonex.com for course and workshop detail.